Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling Mac OS Dictation because without it nothing else works. Open System Settings, go to Keyboard, tap Dictation and switch it on, choose the shortcut you'll use. Make sure the correct microphone is selected, internal or an external headset, so input is clear. Pick the language and enable Enhanced Dictation if you need offline use or extended length. Once done, test with a short phrase so you confirm volume and clarity before moving to app-specific settings. Now use dictation inside the app where you write, notes, pages, mail, or any text field. Press your dictation shortcut and speak naturally. Say punctuation like comma or period when needed. If you need a new paragraph, say new line. Make sure to pause briefly between sentences to let Mac OS process phrases. If words drop or lag, open sound settings and lower or raise input gain. You can also move closer to the mic or switch to a quieter app to reduce background noise. Finish by reviewing and editing dictated text because accuracy isn't perfect. Correct homophones and punctuation errors. Create text replacements in keyboard text for recurring phrases to save time and ensure formatting. If dictation unexpectedly stops, check that apps have microphone permission in privacy settings. Reboot your Mac if needed. As a last resort, reset pram/smc or test another microphone. One key troubleshooting tip. If speech is transcribed poorly, move to a quieter room and lower input gain before trying again to improve recognition.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.